Hello, today I want to mention some changes which are happening with email platform MailerLite. I'm using MailerLite for many years for my business, for all of my businesses, and there are certain changes I want to talk about because starting September 23 this year, 2025, the new subscriber limit for the free plan is changing from 1,000 subscribers to 500, which is quite a change. So if you are using this platform for your email marketing or email platform for sending emails, make sure you are aware that this is changing very soon, as I mentioned, September 23. And I'm going to show you in this video what you can do before, before you want to decide if you want to keep MailerLite as your email marketing platform, or maybe you want to change this platform to something else. First of all, I'm sure you receive one of these emails, changes to MailerLite's free plan. All of you are using MailerLite and you have maybe between 500 and 1,000 subscribers, you will receive this email. In the first sentence, they are basically mentioning starting September 23, the new subscriber limit for free plan will be 500 subscribers. And they're also mentioning why they are doing this, because they are continuing investing in this platform infrastructure and also different advanced features like AI assistant and digital product selling tools. Maybe you were not aware that in the MailerLite version, it's an email marketing platform, but you can also sell digital products directly without having website, and you can use maybe digital, like selling ebooks, maybe PDFs or any kind of other options for digital products, and you can connect it MailerLite with Stripe, for example, or PayPal, and you can basically sell directly using landing pages on MailerLite and then sell them through the digital products. So this email you've probably received if you are between 500 and 1,000 subscribers, which is not I mean, it's a lot of subscribers if you think about it, and it probably take you some time to get to that point if you're starting with your business. The main thing here is you have until this date when you actually have to decide. You have until September 23 this year. You have to decide if you want to change the plan. If you want to, I mean, you are basically forced to change and take the paid plan for MailerLite. The only thing is they are offering right now is, of course, if you transfer from the free plan to the paid plan, you can get 30% off for the first 3 months. That's like a limited time, limited offer for a new customer. I mean, you can get it, of course. I leave a link here. You can get it if you are changing from new plan to paid plan, as we were mentioning. The thing is, I want to also show you what you can compare if you like going to the pricing of MailerLite. So what actually changed? Because if you see here, you can move this slider here and you can go from 500, which is for free, and then you can go, maybe you have 1,000 subscribers right now or below 1,000 subscribers, and you were aware that you have to anyway pay the paid plan. So you can choose here what is the difference and the basic tariff for 1,000 subscribers. Of course, more subscribers you have, this is changing the different tariffs. But if you go with 1,000 subscribers, for example, or you are between 500 and 1,000, in the free version, you have up to 12,000 monthly emails, which is okay if you have to, maybe it's a couple of 2 or 3 emails per month. If you have 700 subscribers or 600, it's like 2 emails. It's couple of campaigns, really. It's not a lot of emails in the free version, but you can also see that, for example, you have drag and drop editor, you have 10 landing pages, sign up forms and pop-ups. So it's like, it's okay if you're starting and you have less than 500 subscribers. And comparing to other platforms, maybe Klaviyo or Flow, MailChimp or different ones, you can definitely see that MailerLite, it's my favorite. And it's, even with this change, it's still more economic than other platforms for me and for my business. So think about it before you actually change, or maybe you are thinking about changes in the email platform. So calculate a little bit how much cost different platforms, what is in the tariff if you have, for example, 1,000 subscribers. Because if you choose this option of course, if I click on build monthly or build yearly, you will save up to 10%. So it's quite a lot. I always pay the year plan because it's much cheaper, and I know I'm going to use MailerLite anyway. So if you want to just try it out, you can choose the option build monthly, and you paid $15 per month if you have 1,000 subscribers or up to 1,000 subscribers, which it gives you the best option. It's unlimited monthly emails. You have 24/7 email support, all in free, like selling digital products, unlimited templates, campaigns, unlimited website landing pages. So it's pretty good for $15 per month. So, and as I was mentioning before, you can sell digital products with MailerLite without having website, which is great advantage. But now we are talking about MailerLite if you are about maybe between 500 and 1,000 subscribers, and now you don't know what to do. Before you decide anything, I would definitely recommend you do some reactivation campaign if you want to keep all your subscribers. So for example, I have my automation set up. When subscriber joins my group, which is inactive subscribers for last 365 days, I will send them this email like, do you want to keep my the connection? Do you want to still receive my emails? And then they have the options. After 7 days, they can decide, okay, I want to still keep receiving email about Pinterest and marketing and business. So they just reply, and I will put them back into my database. If they reply no, or they don't reply at all, basically they go and I will mark them as unsubscribe, which means I'm not deleting the contacts, I am just unsubscribing them from my database, which helps me with this option of 1,000 subscribers. Because if you are between 500 and 1,000 and you want to first definitely do this reactivation campaign on clean up your database, because not all of the contacts in your database definitely are reading your emails, and they are maybe not active for some time. So you can also clean up your database, and for like last 6 months, for example, cleaning all the people, all the emails, they are not there and they didn't open any of your emails in your database. So do this. For example, this is the step-by-step process I would do before deciding any other action. Just to summarize, of course, we want to keep having email platform because it's very important for growing your business, and you know how the social media algorithm is working. So you want to have access to your customers, and email marketing emails is it's a great tool to keep the connection between you and the customers. And you can also send them offers, inform them about news. And for example, I'm sending these YouTube videos to my in my newsletter, so they always know that something's going on, something new, not only on Pinterest but also in business. So first, what you have to decide, I would recommend you to do is decide if you want to keep MailerLite. Great. If you are between 500 and 1,000 subscribers, then think about cleaning up the contacts in your database before deciding for the paid plan. And then you can decide if you want to do use the offer that's 3 months. For first 3 months, you can have 30% off right now because there is this offer. And do it before 23 of September this year, because then it kind of changed and you won't be able to send any emails if you are about 500 subscribers and you are still in the free plan. So that's the video about. If you have any questions about MailerLite or in general email marketing platforms, let me know. And I will see you next week in the video. We are going to talk about other things about Pinterest business and other maybe AI tools or anything which is related to online business. So I'm looking forward to see you next week.